All right, so I am going to go over my project that I've been working on for this final project. If I can get this to work correctly. All right, so my project consisted of making a database for a administrator to go in and to delete, update, and to add products to a database based on new inventory and outgoing inventory. So here's my website. I honestly wanted to do a customer end and a manager end to this website, but because of time constraints, I wasn't able to do the customer portion. So if you go to like any of these categories for the customer, it's not going to work. What will work though is where my project is located, which is in the management side of it. So if you come to management, here you'll have an opportunity to either create an account. So if you come to create account, you can register a new account, which it will not work if the fields aren't entered in correctly. So let's make another account. As you can see, I successfully registered an account. So now I can come in and I can log in using that same ID, same email, which was my BYU email. Log me in. And when I log in, this is my welcome page to my login. And as you can see, I have a slider here just with some images. So in my project, I can add product to the database. And let's say I want to add some kind of jacket to my database. So under category, I come down to apparel because that would be under apparel. And then I can basically give it a code. So we'll just give it a code of coat. The brand, we're just going to go with Cabela's, I guess. And the name will be Men's Rainy River. Price will be $109.99. And then we can give it a product description. And then we'll just say, this is a nice coat to have when it rains while you are fishing. I can go ahead and add product. As you can see, it successfully added the product. Now, if these are not incorrectly, you'll get one or more fields are missing or incorrect. If, say, you have this one correct, let's just say we entered characters here instead of a number. When you hit add product, you're still going to get incorrect because this has to be a number. And so here we were able to add to my database. Well, let's just say we messed up on this and it ended up being put in as something that it shouldn't have been. Or messed up on one of these fields. We can go to edit product. When we come to edit product, I have this drop down, which is being pulled from my database. And then we can choose which category we need to edit. In this case, it was apparel, so we can go ahead and select the apparel, and then we hit select, and then it pulls up whatever's in that database. So this is what we just did. It went up into my database and saved it there. Well, we need to edit this. Let's say the code was wrong or the price was wrong. The code and the price was wrong. The code really need to be that, and the price is really $49.99, we'll say. We can go ahead and hit change product. I just messed up on it again, so we're going to have to change it again because it went into fishing reels. As you can see, we messed up, so we need to edit the product again. So we come in here, and then we need to change this, put it at apparel, change product. Now if we come to change product or the apparel and we hit select, you can now see that we are pulling from my database on what we changed. You can see that we changed the code, the price, and it's located underneath the right category. Now, let's say, oh yeah, and then this right here also, if the fields aren't correct, it's going to throw out errors like that. Same with the price. If the price is a character, it'll also throw out an error because it has to be a number. So now we've been able to add and edit to the database, but let's just say we didn't want that and we wanted to delete the product. So we come over here and we decide where we want to delete, and say the apparel is no longer valid. The product is off the line, so we're no longer selling it, so we need to delete it from the database. So we can come in here and we can pull it up and we can go hit delete. And as you can see, the product was now deleted. If we come in here and go to apparel, hit select, as you can see, there's nothing there on my screen, which means the product was deleted. And so, as you can see, my project included a update statement, an insert statement, a delete statement, and right here is where I have my select statement. And then I am able to sign out. So we can sign out, and it takes me back to the login page, and it displays you are logged out. And this is my project. Thanks for watching.